Hello my luxury friend. Today I came to visit a beautiful villa. The house is good, but it's not the house itself that is the must in here. It's the location. It's amazing. It's paradisiacal. You will see it. It's beautiful. And I'm here now at the door waiting for the villa manager. And I can show you the view from the front door. A tuk-tuk is passing, so he's doing all this noise. Bye bye! Coming back to the view. This is the view from the gate. It's not the main view, it's just when you come to park the car or come inside, you will see the Albufeira Marina, sorry, not the Villa Moura 1, Albufeira Marina. It's a nice view, but it's not the view that we want. I hope you are well, and thank you for seeing my video again. You are being amazing. So let's wait a little bit more for the manager, and I will show you inside the villa. I'm with Kai. Don't forget to like the video and to follow the channel. These last videos are being amazing. You are the best. Thank you for all the support and helping and the messages, everything. Thank you very much. Okay guys, so we are now inside the villa. It's a beautiful entrance. It's Arabic style, and you can see how beautiful this entrance is. Arabic style. Beautiful living room. Sorry for the noise in the back, but we are cleaning the house. The view from this living room, so beautiful. Beautiful dining room. Just see the ceiling. And this beautiful new kitchen that was all changed. It's great. Beautiful fireplace and this view. Outside. Just check this paradise. Just check this view from the pool. Beautiful. Normally we see this when we are in the boats doing the tours. We see these villas. Okay guys, so I hope you had fun with this short video. I wanted to record anyway to show you a little bit, even if it's not much, about this villa. Bye bye.